I am going to be making a sign today using this piece of wood. It's a rustic piece of wood. This sign is actually going to be going in the bathroom at our church. So I already have my main piece and I'm just going to be adding letters to it. My friend had already screwed on the backing so it can hang. So I'm just cutting the letters on my Glowforge. I decided to go with this Pacifico font just because it's a thicker font and it connects really easily. So I'm cutting that on white white MDF, and I have that going right now. Should turn out pretty decent. Let's go take a look. Oh yeah, that looks like it's cutting real well. I'll just have to wipe off some of the burnt areas on the letters. Perfect size, I think. So now that these letters are cut out, you can see this one I have not cleaned up yet. This one was cleaned up. So you can see that they do have some excess burn marks on the side. I just take a wet rag and it just comes right off. So we are going to wipe all these down and then line up our letters or our words. All right, now that they're all wiped off and I have it kind of where I want it to go, you can see it's kind of uneven though, we are going to take our measuring tape and measure and make sure everything is lined up. Everything has been glued on and it turned out really nice.